Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's session. We're going to talk about emails. So we just turned on the live. So just give it a couple of minutes for everybody to just roll on in this morning. Those of you coming in live, I'd love to see you drop in the chat where you're coming in from, what you do, what you hope to be getting from today's session. Those of you who are watching the replay of this later, hello. You can probably fast forward just a couple of minutes for us to wait until we get started. So we've got Britt here. Britt says, good morning. Looking forward to this one. Not got email marketing in place at all and know that you're losing dollars. Yes, we are losing dollars. And Karen says, good morning. Hi, Karen. We've got Carol who says, hi, I've been cleaning up my email list with Claude's help. Good timing for this workshop. You'll be pleased to know we'll be starting with how to clean up and sort out your email inboxes. So we're going to be doing a little bit of admin and a little bit of doing today too. And of course, as always, I have some prompts for you and your AIs as well. Hello, Holly Ann. Lovely to see you guys. All right, I'll give it 30 more seconds. So those of you on live, again, just let us know what you're most looking forward to or hoping to get from today. And I will hope that I'm delivering that for you. I'm just going to have some of my protein water. This is not a fizzy drink, it's protein. Hadia, hello, lovely to see you as well. Emails, baby. All right, that makes it bang on time for starting here. So let's get cracking. So hi everyone, welcome to today's Legends Lab email workshop. We're going to be talking today about getting a little bit more organized with your emails and the basics of getting some email marketing into place using some of the techniques and strategies that I use. And I've got some prompts for your AIs as well. Now, talking of AI, we are going to be talking a little bit today about getting AI into your inboxes. I know some people are still very nervous about doing that, but I'm going to share some of the ways that you could be getting AI to do more for you, such as managing your inbox, replying to emails for you, starting to build up a knowledge base, as well as just normal email marketing, and even getting AI to go into your CRM, whatever you use. Of course, I'll be demoing in Techmatics, but again, what I'll be showing you today can be done in any software, on any platform, using any tool, pretty much, where there are connectors available. Now, I'm going to be specifically showing you how you can get AI to go out and outreach to all of your contacts with really personalized emails as well. And of course, I've got a prompt for you too. So I am going to just ask Febby, who's here today. I'm going to pop her on the screen. Everyone say hi to Febby. And Febby, if you wouldn't mind just grabbing the public share link from today's Canva slide deck, which is inside our Canva account. All of you watching the recording, you will also have the slide deck from today. And the reason why you need it, and why those of you here live are going to get that link in the chat right now, is because to access my prompts that I've got for you, you need to be able to click on the slide deck. All right. So please try not to get carried away clicking through your slides. I'd really like you to just try and pay attention to me and what I'm doing on the screen. And then you remember, you've just got your slides for afterwards, for playing around and clicking with later on. So talking of slides, let's get cracking into them. Now, as always, I'm going to be moving my screen of you guys onto another screen I've got over here. So if you see me looking that way, I'm looking at the chat and just making sure if there's any questions that have come up. Now, talking of questions, my friends, if any of them pop up, please put them in the chat. Febby, if they're really important in the moment, she will pop them up on the screen, which will capture my attention that it's something right now. If it's not immediate timing, I will take some time to go back through the chat thread to ask specifically if there are any questions. Okay, welcome to today's email marketing workshop. We are going to get you guys hopefully sending out some emails today, because I'm going to tell you this now, true fact, as you guys know, I have not relied on ads or paid ads at all in my career of running my businesses. I have sustained a 7-figure-a-year business for a very long time, using mostly organic methods to build my list, content marketing, blog writing, social media content, other methods as well. They're not the only ones, but they're the ones that have predominantly got me my leads. Now, I've got those leads, those contacts on my email list, because I've been very smart over the years at always putting my things that I give away behind a simple form. A simple opt-in form is all it takes for you to collect email addresses. Now, as some examples, oh, that was very cool. I can press one. I've just accidentally pressed a button and realized I can change my screen. One of the things that you may have seen, or if you are following me on social media, is that I have many posts where I'll say, here's a cool thing I've learned today. Here's a cool thing I've done today. Here's a cool tip of the day. If you want me to send it to you, comment a word below and I'll send it through. Now, when people comment the word bananas, Claude, happy, goat, whatever the word is, right? And I often do make it a silly word because it stands out. The link that I will put in the comments to them is simply an opt-in form. So whatever platform you're using, Techmatics or otherwise, an opt-in form takes 2 seconds to create. And now Claude's direct connection can create those opt-in forms for you. The only thing you should have for something for free on an opt-in form is name, first name only, just first name and email address. That's it. Please don't try and collect somebody's life history. First name, email address, done. They're now a contact in your system. And now, because they're a contact in your system, email marketing that I'm going to be teaching you now is going to work for you. So for those of you who don't know me or who are new here, hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner. I have been running a business for 22 years. I know, I only look like I'm 22, stop it. And I have had a great deal of success, both running education business and now for the last 4.5 years, my technology business, Techmatics. I've got loads of awards. I do have an actual degree and all of that stuff, which is now pointless that AI is here, but there we go. If you're not using Techmatics as an all-in-one business platform based on top of High Level, if you haven't heard of High Level or GHL, it's basically a base platform that people like me have then gone and built on top of and added lots of sexy features and a whole support team. So if you're not using tech yet, I'd strongly recommend you go and grab yourself a free trial. And if you haven't got a friend who owns a unicorn, you do now. If you do want to connect with me and follow me on my socials, there is a QR code that you can click on there and go and follow me. I'm usually most active on Facebook. If you do want to constantly stay on top of the tips that I'm sharing every single day, there is the place to do it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do some email marketing training, and we're going to start off by actually learning how to tidy up your inbox a little bit, because I am an inbox zero girl. And let's just crack on with the rest of it. So the first thing I want to do today, talking of emails, is to get you guys to start having a little bit of sanitization in your current inboxes. I am what's called an inbox zero girl. This means I like to have my inbox completely cleared of all emails every single day. And only emails that are in the main inbox view are ones that have not yet been actioned or require some response. Once an email has been dealt with, please press the archive button. Archive in whatever account you use. Now, I use Gmail with a Google Workspace. If you're using Outlook or any of the others, they all have an archive button. I strongly recommend you build this in as a habit if you don't have it yet. Only your unanswered, unreplied to emails should be in your inbox. Everything else gets archived. This is such a smart way to stay organized, to keep your head clean, to keep your business operations efficient, and making sure that you never delete important emails. Obviously, you can delete your marketing emails that come through, because you always want to make sure that you have historical records, not only just in case you might need them in the future, but also because AI, if you connect it to your inbox now, can actually go back through your inbox if you're asking questions about a customer or a client, right? You can say to Claude, now ChatGPT work as well, I've got a meeting with Sarah Cordiner today. Please go through my entire email history with Sarah and provide me a report of everything we've ever discussed or everything we've ever done or any communication we've ever had. This is why you don't want to delete. You want those records already there, but archive them out of the inbox so they can still be accessed by AI and you, but they're not clogging up your daily feed. Please get used to doing that. It will change your life. It is an energetic thing, as well as a just being organized and not walking into a digital messy room that's just going to make your brain function go haywire. So there's a couple of things that I've done and that you'll see up on the screen, obviously, that I did when I first connected Claude. And this was particularly important for our Techmatics inbox, because in there we get hundreds of emails a day. So this is where I basically used Claude to help me get more organized.